Stop by and take a look at the 2010 XD. The squared-off Scion XD hatchback is one of the most distinctive-looking economy cars around. In government crash tests, the 2010 XD earns a perfect 5 stars in side crashes and 4 stars in frontal crash and rollover resistance tests, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.